Determining service size is according to the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The service size for a dwelling unit depends on the connected load, which is calculated using demand factors. Demand factors are multipliers that reduce the total connected load to account for the fact that not all loads operate simultaneously. For residential buildings, the NEC provides demand factors for lighting at 100%, receptacles at 50%, heating, ventilation and air conditioning and water heating at 100%, and electric space heating at 100%. Let's calculate. Connected load is lighting at an estimated 1000 watts, receptacles at an estimated 2000 watts, and electric heat from 4 heaters at 1500 watts times 3 plus 2000 watts equals 7000 watts. Using demand factor calculations, lighting is 1000 watts times 100% equals 1000 watts. Receptacles are 2000 watts times 50% equals 1000 watts. And electric heat is 7000 watts times 100% equals 7000 watts. The total demand is 1000 watts plus 1000 watts plus 7000 watts equals 9000 watts. To determine the service size, divide the total demand by the voltage, which will be either 120 volts or 240 volts. In this case, let's assume 240 volts. Service size equals 9000 watts divided by 240 volts, which equals 37.5 amps. Based on these calculations, a 100 amp service would be sufficient for this unit, even with the added circuits and electric heat. However, a 125 amp service would provide more headroom for future expansion or increased electrical usage. If the city does not have a blanket requirement for 200 amp upgrades, it is reasonable to install a 125 amp service for this duplex. This provides a balance between cost savings and adequate capacity for current and future needs.